Now see the sum number 4. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is equal to half of AB and explain by drawing the figure. So firstly we draw the figure of given statement. So given statement is 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, means C point lie between A and B. So we have draw. See the solution. Solution is, firstly we draw a point A and B. Also see AC is equal to BC. So suppose C is here and join this line AB and C lie between AB. So what is given? Given C lie between 2 points A and B. Given that C lies between 2 points A and B. Also AC is equal BC. We have to prove. Given is this, required to prove or to prove is AC is equal to half of AB. So now see, proof. How we will prove it? Given is AC is equal BC. Is it given? Now adding both sides, AC plus AC, BC plus AC by Euclid definition. Definition क्या है? If the equals are added, if equal are added, two equals, the whole are the equal. Means if we add the equal, means AC is both side equal, at then twice of AC plus AC is twice of AC, BC plus AC, whole the equal. Whole the equal means AC plus BC, that become AC plus BC, that become AB. Then whole the equal. Whole the equal. Now 2 AC is equal AB. Now we have to take 2 on a right side. Here 2 is multiply. So when we will write in left right side, it become denominator 1 by 2 AB. That is, we have required proof AC is equal half of AB, and that also AC is equal to half of AB. So hence proved. Now see sum number 6. In figure, if AC is equal to BD, AC is equal to BD, then we have to prove AB is equal CD. So firstly you have write given part. Given is AC is equal BD. Required to prove AB is equal CD. Now proof. How will we prove? See, given is AC is equal BD. Given also AC can be written as AC. AC can be written as AB plus BC. So AC can be written as AB plus BC. Similarly, BD can be written as BC plus CD. So BD can be written as BD plus CD. Now subtracting BC both sides, subtracting BC from both sides, we will get what? AB plus BC minus BC, BD plus CD minus BC. So AB plus BC minus BC, that is cancel out. What become? AB. Here BD plus CD, BD BC minus BC, that is cancel out CD. So AB is equal to CD. That is by the Euclid's, if equals are subtracted from equals, then the remaining are equal. Hence proved.